Hi guys, this is the video solution for Week 4 Lab 1 Exercise 2, writing your first GUI program. First step is to start a new project in Netbeans and call it number mul. Step 2 is to add a new JFrame form to the project. On the left pane of Netbeans, right-click on your project tree under Source Packages and select New and then JFrame form and name it number mul GUI. If desired, change the size and shape of the form by dragging its corner with the mouse. Step 4. Add 3 labels to the form by dragging the objects from the palette pane. Change the text of the 3 labels to be type first number, type second number, and result of multiplication as shown below. To do that, we have to do edit text. And we press enter. Step 5. If desired, change the font typeface and size. Use the ... to open and close the font properties menu, and you can use foreground to change the color of the text. So if we wanted to, we select the label we want, and under properties, you can go to font, change the font style, and the size. Step 6. Add a text field to the form by dragging the objects from the palette pane. Delete any text entered by Netbeans. Then resize the text field on the form with your mouse, and then use copy and paste to create 2 more text fields as shown below. Step 7. Add a button to the form by dragging it from the palette pane. Change its text property to be click here to multiply as shown below. Step 8. Program the button to perform the multiplication by double-clicking the button and writing the appropriate code for its action performed method. So right-click on the button, go to Events, Action, Action Perform, and click. That took us from where we were, which was Design, to Source. And we did it under J button 1. If you had multiple buttons, this could get very confusing. So here I'm going to teach you how to rename a variable. Change variable name, and I will be naming this multiply button. We could also rename text field variables by right-clicking and change variable name. So this will be first TF for text field, second TF, and result TF. Let's go back to source. When you change the variable name in the GUI, it automatically changes these variables for you. So next, let's write the code. First, we have to declare variables. They will all be of type int, be num1, num2, and result. Then we have to get the first and second number from text fields. To do this, we're going to write num1 is equal to j. Oh, sorry. We renamed our text fields, and to check it, we just click on it and it is highlighted over here as first TF. So now it's first TF dot get text. Now remember that anything that we put into these text fields, they will be of type string. Therefore, we need to convert it to integer because here we labeled our variables as type int. So we have to do integer dot parse int, open parentheses, and close it here. And we basically do the same thing for number 2. So that gets the first and second number from text fields. Now we have to multiply. So that will just be result equals num1 times num2. And finally, display result back to user. And we gotta do result tf dot set text, open parentheses, string dot value of result. The string dot value of converts the result, which is an integer, back to a string. Because remember, all text fields have to be strings. So now let's make this our default by doing that. If we just press run now, it will automatically run the GUI instead of the main class that we created. So now let's test it out. 2 times 5 is 10. 7 times 9 is 63. So it works. And that concludes the video solution.